Creating your Mighty Network is similar to throwing a party. And what's the best kind of party? Well, a party that all your favorite people are at. Hey, nice to see you. Hey, how you doing? Hey, ladies, good to see you. In this course, we're gonna show you exactly how to set your Mighty Network up for success, so that like all great parties, it leaves your audience wanting to stay around long after the sun comes up. But before you can throw the party of the century or create the Mighty Network of your dreams, there's some important planning you must do and questions you must answer. In the party planner we provided for you, there's a list of VIPs, as in very important ponderings, where you'll be guided to answer questions like who, what, why, and how. By answering these questions, you'll be well on your way to building the kind of Mighty Network that nobody wants to leave. So download your party planner and write down your answers to the first series of journaling questions. Now, I will say, it is crucial for you to actually do those exercises because they're going to help you organize your master plan for your ultimate Mighty Network, which will be the difference between a successful community and a lame one. Clarity is key. So get to it, and I'll see you at the next party lesson where we begin setting up your Mighty Network.
Oh, whoa, mate, you can't come in. You're done your homework, yeah?